Hi, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the website ABCYa. We'll be using that during class times when we're doing centers so that you'll have a source for practice that'll be some fun for you guys. So first thing you're going to do when you get on your computer is you're going to go to Google and then you're going to click on the search bar up here and you're just going to type in ABCYa.com. And that should pull up this screen right here. Now, after that, you're going to go to grade 2 since that is the grade that you're in. Just click on that. So depending on what center I have you in, it'll change from day to day. Some days it'll be in English practice center, sometimes it'll be a math practice center, and sometimes it'll just be a fun center. But if it's going to be an English practice center, you're going to practice your reading and writing by going to the letters button right here. And then you can just choose any of these games here that you'd like. I'm not going to ask you to do a specific one because I know that you guys like what games you like, and I'm not going to make you do any that you don't like. Now, if you go back, you can click this arrow up here to go back if you need to. If it's a math center, you're going to click on this button right here. It says 1, 2, 3 numbers. And again, you can pick any of those games. Now, if you choose any of these games, it will help you with the topic that I give you as long as you click on the right button. That's why I don't mind what game you choose. Now, the holiday, strategy, and skill, those would be the ones that you use on just the fun center days. It's just little fun stuff, like if you want to do a word search, there's an Easter egg hunt, there's all kinds of little things on here that you can do. Let's see here. You can go to skill, there's paint, there's some practice with sorting, there's the 5 senses. This is just general practice stuff that will be helpful for you. And then this right here, strategy. Now this is the more entertainment games like Aqua Friends, Pizzeria. However, they can still be helpful to you. We're not going to have a ton of fun center days. We'll probably do it once a week, like on Fridays, but the ABC letters and the 1, 2, 3 numbers are the 2 buttons that you're going to go to the most, so make sure you know how to get there. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact me. I will help you out, or when we do this in class, you can raise your hand and I'll come help you. Don't be afraid to ask any questions. It's pretty straightforward, so if you're struggling with something, I can help you work it out. Alright.